Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Instagram Explorer page. It is so simple and so quick process guys. Firstly, what you need to do, just jump up into your profile section and then just type on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then select the first selection that says settings. Right after that, on the search box just type for search, and here as you can see you have recent searches. Click on that one, and as you can see here is the list of searching history or recent searches. What you need to do, just simply go on the right upper side on the blue light that is selected by clear all, just click on it and go for clear all, the first selection. Here guys, as you can see, we have reset our Instagram Explorer page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.